Hi everyone, I am Dr. Suman, Director Nephrology and Kidney Transplant, Dharamshila Narayana Super Specialty Hospital. Millions of people across the world are suffering from kidney problems. There are two types of kidney failure. One is acute kidney failure and second is chronic kidney failure. When we talk about acute kidney failure, it is also called acute kidney injury. It's basically a sudden loss of kidney function because of any reason, like it could be some infection or it could be because of blood loss. Patient blood pressure may drop and that can affect the kidney perfusion and it lead to acute kidney shutdown, which is called acute renal failure. If we correct this cause of acute kidney failure timely, suppose a patient is bleeding, if we give blood transfusion, blood pressure is normalized, we can revert the kidney back to the normal. This is called acute kidney failure. It can be because of the drugs. If drug is affecting the kidney function, all of a sudden kidney function will be dropped, but if you stop the drug, the kidney failure function will come back to normal. If we talk about other causes of acute kidney failure, that is infections. If you treat infections, if you treat dehydrations, then patient may recover their kidney function back to normal. So this was about acute kidney failure, acute kidney injury. Now what is chronic kidney failure? Chronic kidney failure, there is some cause for kidney failure and there is slowly progressive kidney failure, and generally it is more than 3 months. If loss of kidney function is more than 3 months, then we label that he or she is suffering from chronic kidney disease. There are various causes like diabetes, hypertension, drugs, and generally such kind of kidney failure is not reversible, it is irreversible. It is called CKD or chronic kidney disease, chronic renal failure. There is various terminology for chronic kidney disease. What are the causes of chronic kidney disease? Most common cause is diabetes mellitus. Second common cause of chronic kidney disease is hypertension. There are various stages of chronic kidney disease like stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, stage 4 and stage 5. To summarize in a nutshell, acute kidney failure is sudden loss of kidney function. It could be because of any reason like infection, drugs or loss of blood or dehydration, and if corrected in time, it can revert back to normal. But in few percentage of acute renal failure patient, it might progress to chronic kidney disease. While chronic kidney disease is irreversible, it will slowly progress depend upon the underlying cause, and in later stages, patient may require dialysis or transplant. Thank you.